Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. If you can't find it over here, tap on this pen icon at the bottom right corner. Look for it after scrolling down. And when you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Then place it wherever you wish to. Now click on the back button and finally tap on it. In this pop-up, in order to disable location, select Close. So now when I go back, as you can see, location of this Motorola is disabled. But you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into Settings instead, scroll down and access Location. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!